We're here at Dirtbox Overland, and behind me is the flatbed. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for checking out the video. So I'm pumped, very pumped. We're here at Dirtbox Overland, and behind me is the flatbed. Finally the flatbed. So stoked. So we have the flatbed here getting prepped, getting ready for the electrical and all that stuff, the water pump, all that. And then we have the Canopy, the full box that's gonna go on it as well. But anyway, I wanna show you this up close before it gets on the truck just a little bit, and maybe even show you some of these vehicles here, because Dirtbox Overland, their, I believe, parent company is called Offroad. There's the logo there. But they have Unimogs everywhere. They do the craziest over-the-top Unimog builds. They race these things. They go on global expeditions. It's unreal. So we're also like right next to the airport in Denver. So here's the shop. This is their company, Tundra, and it's got their Canopy camper on it. So it's a full truck bed camper. Just tons of goodies. They got a water tank. They got a fold out shower curtain thing, all boxed in aluminum. This is kind of like my Go Fast camper, but there's a lot more little features everywhere. Let's see if I can open this thing. So here's the back. Molly panels everywhere. They have a cool ladder that comes down and swings, and you can get up that way. There's tons of options. They have these billet handles. They have these billet little things on the top of the tent. So tons of awesome, cool stuff. All right, so here is the flatbed. Like I said, getting prepped. This is the headache rack portion, so it's gonna go right here against the cab. And it's got these marker lights everywhere. It's got room, we are 99% sure, for the archive garage shock relocation kit to fit up in there. We have these cool boxes. Still has to get assembled with some cables and stuff, but I can hopefully put my air compressor in there, which will be sweet. It's got these little accessory rails on the side, on the back. It's got these really cool lights. And here's underneath, put some mud flaps on it. And this is one of my favorite parts. This drawer. I mean, look how huge this drawer is. And it's carpeted, super nice. So I'm gonna put a bunch of tools back here. It's all lockable. So, I mean, look at that. Just straight utility from these things. And you got lights everywhere, marker lights, like I said. Over here, there's another box. So I'm most excited for the flatbed because basically I'm gonna have two different trucks. I'm gonna have like a farm truck or a haul and work truck or whatever with just the flatbed. And when the Canopy goes on, the box goes on, I'll have a full dedicated camper. So they have these poles, and I'll show you on a later video. They have these poles that go on each side, two on each side, and then you lift the box off and you drive up out from under it, and so you have a flatbed. Super simple. This truck is gonna be like Legos basically. So yeah, wanted to give y'all a look here. And since I'm not gonna be here for the entire build process, Dirtbox is gonna send me some media to include in these videos of kind of like the build process. So also, I forgot to show you on this side, here's the water tank. And up here, if you can see up in there, that's the water pump. So I forget the actual capacity of this thing. But yeah, man, we're gonna have water all the time on board. The other thing I forgot to mention, and I think I'm gonna be asked the most by far, is how much does this weigh? How much overloaded are you, underloaded, whatever. They said three of the dudes picked this thing up. It's super light. They're guessing a couple 100 pounds. If I know by the time I edit this video, I'll put it in the description, or I'll put it in the video, sorry. But it is all aluminum with the steel subframe. So it's kind of like our backwoods bumpers, which is really cool. So keeping it lightweight, but strong where you need it. So while I'm here, I wanted to show you guys basically what I'm getting. So this is obviously on a Gladiator, but a lot of the sizing and dimensions and things like that are pretty close to the same. You know, obviously I'm going to outfit it differently than this, but this is basically one of their first flatbed tray and canopies, and they've been testing it. The owner's been testing it like crazy, and I'll kind of show you a little bit of this. Hopefully it's not locked. It is unlocked. So, okay, here's a couple things that they make and that we're going to be running in the truck too. So this is a drop down kitchenette. It's insane. I kind of want to show you, I don't want to spoil it. I want to show you in my truck how this thing comes out and everything, but it is insane. It comes out, it drops down, it flips. It's nuts. We're going to be doing an S-Pod. This is something different, but my power management is going to be up there. And then we're going to put my fridge here on a tilting slide. So that'll be nice. And then up here, there's going to be like a molly panel. And again, everything is lined in this nice carpet, so it stays quiet. It looks really premium. So yeah, the whole kitchen, I want to outfit it on this side. And I actually have no idea what's in here. Sorry, Jay, I'm looking through your stuff. Looks like there's some airlines, there's some random stuff. I want to put my compressor in a side bin. That way, when I take the box off, I still have air connected to the truck at all times. So that's what that looks like. They have their own awning here too. Some nice LED lights in the canopy and inside the awning. And I'll show you all that when I get my truck. The back is super cool. So obviously this is going to be a lot different for me. This is a 37-inch tire. I think I'm going to put my 35 here, my dual Jerry's, propane, what's it called? What is it called? Chainsaw, shovel, that kind of stuff over there. And then they also have a tent, so I'll be running their tent as well. And I'm not sure if I'm getting this or not, but this is a shower, and it opens. It's got gas struts even. It's solid. It's not like a canvas bag. And it's a shower cover, basically. So that's pretty cool. Oh, this is the water storage. So that tank you saw earlier in the flatbed, that's where the water will go. And then when you want to take the box off, it's literally these brackets. So there's 4 total. And so you'll lift it off and be done. So let's see what's on this side. So over here, they make this little drawer thing as well. I can't do this one-handed, so sorry. But it comes out and I think it might fold or do something cool. But I'm gonna put some of my EcoFlows over here. He's got a microwave, he's got all kinds of crazy stuff. And then I'm gonna leave this open for a bunch of cargo and storage. But yeah, this is a little preview. It's gonna be sick. Can't wait. So since I'm here, I want to show you guys a little bit more of what they have going on. So like I said, Couch Offroad is their other company, and they do a bunch of Unimog stuff. Like making suspension and just building these insane Unimogs, like over the top. I've never seen anything like this or this complicated. So like I said, since I'm here, I'm just gonna go through this hangar really quick and show you some of these. There's a ton more out in the yard. Yeah, let's look at these things. Check this out. I wish you guys could see this in person. Look at that. Triple bypass Kings on a Unimog. Then check this out. Dude. Oh my goodness, that's cool. That is just awesome. This might be one of his personal, I have no idea. I'm just around here snooping. Ooh, it's cool. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, Unimogs lined up. Wow, that is a bumper. Is this 2 winches? What? I'm out of my element here, guys. Even beadlocks. It's got central air. Ooh, that thing's cool. Wow, that's cool. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, I don't know what to say, guys. Like, this is out of my element, but it's still incredibly awesome. All right, my head goes to like here on this. It's every bit of 6 foot tall. Insane. Here's another look at their Canopy camper, like I showed you with the Tundra. This is a mid-sized version. Pretty much the same thing, just mid-sized. So here's like that ladder way you can get in. You can move the floor out of the way. Pretty sick. And they got tires for days. All right, guys, well, I got to get back to Arkansas. Today's been nuts. This weekend, I had the Overland Expo in Colorado. Then this morning, I went to Mountain Yoda's to get the suspension kind of started, and I took a few shots of that in their shop. Now I'm over here at Dirtbox, and now I need to start the 12-hour drive home in the backwoods van, so I'm exhausted. Anyway, appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully maybe the truck's done. Well, who knows?